Welcome back, everybody. So this is part of the channel where I'm going to go through a past exam question. This one is on differential calculus. It involves natural log. Just before I start, let's remind ourselves that the derivative of a natural log is 1 over x, or more explicitly, 1 over f of x times by the derivative of f. So have a quick look at this question. It was worth 6 marks, so we should be able to do this in 6 minutes or less. But take a picture, have a go at it, and then check your answer. Okay? Let's get started. Start the clock. The tangent to this curve at point 2 is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so remember when we have perpendicular lines, one gradient is the negative reciprocal of the other. Okay, so that's quite important because they're talking about perpendicular lines. So when we multiply them together, we're going to get -1. Right, so if we differentiate this curve, this is a product. So u, v, so let's go ahead and label up u. So u is kx minus 1. So u prime is simply k. V is natural log 2x. So therefore v prime will be 1 over 2x times by 2, which will just still result in 1 over x. Okay, so we have all of the elements to put into the product rule now. Right, so we got y prime is equal to v du plus u dv, okay? And therefore v is natural log 2x times by du, which is just k, plus u, which is kx minus 1. Now, be careful to keep all of that together, times by dv, which is 1 over x. Now, I don't need to do much tidying here because I just have to substitute this value 2 into this expression to find the gradient at 2. So I'm going to just move down here and let's do this in green. So y prime of 2 would be natural log of 4, 2 times 2 is 4, times k. So I'm going to just bring the k to the front, plus 2 times k, so 2k minus 1, 1 over 2. So this is all going to be over 2. Right, so that's the gradient in terms of k after I've substituted 2 in. Now it does say that this line is perpendicular to this this line. Right, so what does that actually mean? Well, this line is in the form y equals mx plus c, but I can see that c is actually 0 because there is no additional constant after that. So therefore then this expression, which is, I'm just going to draw a little cloud around here, this is the gradient then of this line. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, if I have my gradient in green, my gradient is equal to the negative reciprocal of the other line. So, for example, if one line was 2 over 3, let's say, then the negative reciprocal would be negative 3 over 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take their gradient here and I'm going to flip the fraction, so make the denominator and the numerator opposite, and then I'm also going to add a minus. So it's the negative reciprocal of that gradient. Therefore then, this line, take k natural log 4 plus 2k minus 1 over 2, my gradient is equal to the negative reciprocal of the line that they gave us. So it'll be minus, now it'll be minus everything, so be careful here, 5 plus 4 natural log 4 over 2. Okay, now I've got to quickly solve this for k. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to make this one, this is over 1 right now, so if I times top and bottom by 2, then this will be in terms, the denominators will be the same, so I can add these together now, 2k natural log 4 plus 2k minus 1, that's all over 2 is equal to negative 5, I'm timesing out now, minus 4 natural log 4 over 2. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to remove the 2's. Okay, let's just do that there. Now let's just summarize this. So we've got 2k natural log 4 plus 2k minus 1 has to equal negative 5 minus 4 natural log 4. We've just got to solve for k, so let's take out a factor of 2k on this side. So 2k natural log 4 plus 1, and then I'm going to move this 1 to the right hand side and group these terms together. So that will be negative 4 minus 4 natural log 4. Okay, it looks like I can take out a factor of negative 4 here. So that will be 1 minus natural log 4. So that would be plus, sorry, there. Oh, and these are the same then. So 2k is equal to natural log 4 plus 1. Okay, so I can divide both sides by natural log 4 plus 1. So that will eliminate both of these, leaving me with 2k is equal to minus 4. So k is equal to minus 2. Stop the clock.
Boy, that escalated quickly.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more math tutorials. Check out my playlists on my channel or click one of the videos above. I'll see you next time.